Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Northeast Students Organisation ka balong ka senjuk jong ki seng samla puli ha ki jila ka thain chitei lamingi ha ka khat pratarik unai wing arajar khat khandai kala pelong da ka jing yong kalain mengor ban Pyrshah ya ka jing persyang jong ka Sorkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party ban pelong anya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill ka batmu ban pelong nongshong shnong bapura ya ki ritpa Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi bat Kristan ki bawan petwer sha India nakari Afghanistan, Bangladesh, bat Pakistan. Kajing mi pajba da ginong shong shnong ki jela kathain chatei lamingi ban Pyrshah ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill kalong halor kanong rim ba ka Sorkar NDA kalawan rabyang ya kani ka bill banyo jing menjur hapo ka dorbar tlang jong yeng dorbar thau ain Lok Sabha kapala sedang nado ka khat pratarik unai wing arjar khat khandai. Hanong ba Shalong ka Khasi Students Union kuntupru ya ka Garo Students Union bat kiwei seng balang kila pelong da ka jinge shong kalain mengor ha ka jaka peniang kali ka badan markup bat ka Additional Secretariat Shalong ha ka ba da ki spangut ki khot jong ki seng balang kila wan mani shimenta kini ki seng balang kila pharu da ka dorkhas sha menteri rang badu kari u Narendra Damodar Das Modi bar sha menteri katnat kampo yeng kari u Amit Anil Chandra Shah lengba ulat ke jela u Tathagata Roy.
Bangladeshi go back! Bangladeshi go back! North East long left! North East long left! North East long left! North East long left! Amateur! 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 Modi! 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 Sofia Pyrshah jungi ia kini kaan yak jakor ke begimut bagas Sorkar India kemut dan perlongan hakaba ia kini kaan di mengidap ke Citizenship Amendment Bill kimut menailah yang kita diberi di melabar negeri India diberi lagi penhun yang diberi bikin wan berlongsong senong tengah aku beli sibune hak joki por ba hak jing yalam jongi ba Samuel Jerwa nang ni napo Shillong rangkat bat ke Neso kilale chapo Guwahati kilale chapo Delhi ban mobilize ya Gibril ban mobilize ya Gibril ki badan ya kapor ban Pyrshah ya kan ka CVB bat ka CVB kalai yap no hak itu ki por nomor omshim lala ban penim ya ka hapo Raja Sabha Henry ngitip pamanta hak ni ka winter session bagani ka Sorkar BJP kan wan ban penimbiang ya kani ka CAB ka balayap ban ban ai man simbiang da kadaw baga ai daw bahana bagita ki minority ki religious minority kila syak ban ben hapo kiwei kiri henrai ngan itu yapi ba ki religious minority amde bi syak ban ben tang hi kiwei kiri ka India ka dan hapo ka nombor ka basipau ban ben ye kita ki minority namar lada ka BJP da kata ka Hindutva polisi ka jongki kadon ka jingtiang hana bayo kita ki Hindu hapo India ki badon 40% population yo ki jano bat ka culture jongki ka jano mangi lele ijat banriu ibatang si phit ni don hok ban tiang bat ban Pyrshah ni don hok ban tiang bat ban Pyrshah kidon kiwei kiri orang ba balai pitiang yo tau dakhar balai pitiang ye kita kiwei makani ka perthai menta kalalong open handrai lada ka BJP nadu kipor padang seng ye ka haswa ka independence kadon ye kata ban Pynlong ye kani ka ya ka India kum ka jela cukum ka ri jong ki Hindu ka tiang ye kata ka jingsha ino ka jingsha telam no ye kata ka Hindu culture jong ki mangile ijat periu ibatang lai phulak rom don ngidei ban tiang
Kia cini mekang cia ino dongeng kepa no India semua minoriti orang dong kepa aceng tentang mancan ceng absan unity yang imga jangki tang naman ke.
And if CAB comes, then we will become even smaller. Our culture, our religion, our way of life, our language, our people, all of this will die. All of this will die. There is nothing to safeguard us. When Ukiang Nangba was hanged in Jowai, he said, if my face turns to the east, the country will be free in 100 years. Are we free? No. We are not free because we are not united.
CAB is not acceptable to us, and I'm very much happy here to see all the Northeast brothers and sisters uniting against this. Very much happy to see all this unity amongst us.
This CAB issue is a very dangerous issue, and it is a arbitrary issue, arbitrary bill that has been tabled by the central government against the Northeast. So, with this issue, we are very much hurted, and they directly hurted us, and whatever the bill has been tabled, directly hurt every heart of the Northeast. So, with this, we totally contend against the bill of CAB, and we never let it be passed in the parliament. With the support of Neso, we the Arunachal student in Shillong always stand with.
Even in the last elections, you might have seen a picture where a policeman was sitting on a merry-go-round. He had nothing to do during the elections. But we have a very dark past. Like most of the people in the Northeast, especially the Naga people, our ancestors were headhunters. We had chiefs in Mizoram, and especially towards the north, towards the west and the east, we had chiefs who had to protect the integrity of the state. These people, whenever foreigners entered their lands, they would kill them, cut their heads off, put them on spikes and make them face outside Mizoram as a warning. But since Christianity entered into Mizoram, we have left that practice, and we have become a very peaceful state. After that, the central government threatened us again, and even though there was a freedom movement in Mizoram, what they did was they sent jet fighters to drop bombs on Aizawl. After that, we made peace again, and then it became peaceful again. Until now, we have started to protest again, but peacefully. But they should know that the Northeast, especially us Mizoram, we're like lions. If they keep pulling our tails, sooner or later we're going to bite.
The people of Tripura, indigenous people were protesting the CAB in Matabari. The government has ordered to sort the protest. And we haven't sorted, even me, I'm present there. We have sorted, they sort, and five persons are injured. And when the injured people are taken to the hospital, even that time they take to the ambulance. That is the situation in Tripura. Because in Tripura, we are surrounded with Bengalis. With Bengalis, we call Wansa. Go to hell. And even our leaders from Tripura, I want to tell you, I want to request you, if you don't know anything, just keep quiet, shut your mouth.
If they really want to implement it, let them implement it in Gujarat, but not in entire Northeast. Because by the Simplification of Citizenship Act of 1955, lakhs of illegal migrants have been acquiring citizenship illegally. And still, Northeast will be the most vulnerable zone for new migration in the future.
Strongly oppose the bill because once the Citizenship Amendment Bill is passed, there will be increase in influx and the immigrations from all across the borders. Once these refugees will be in our Northeast, there will be fight for the food, there will be fight for the land, there will be fight for the education, there will be fight for the employments. And we know what's the condition of each and every state in the Northeast. So we are not ready to share our land with any refugees. Yes!
They are sending the people, illegal immigrants from Bangladesh to our Northeast, making it as a dumping ground, which is totally wrong. They have no rights to act such illegally. Also, Northeast, we have lots of different community, we have tribes, we have like Khasi, Garo, Karbi, Assamese, and we have different many communities. If they are put here, if they come from Bangladesh, we will lose our identity, our language, our culture, and everything.
We the people of Northeast, we do not come from different organizations, but we come as a people of Northeast to oppose CAB. So please, the people in the central government should get this message straight that the whole of Northeast, we stand opposed to the Citizenship Amendment Bill. India, an Indian government now, gave it reason that it want to invite all the Hindu from Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan to come and occupy Northeast. Why? It states because they were prosecuted in the name of religion. But I will say, the Indian government is the first government in the world which has never accepted the word indigenous population or indigenous tribe, which means the minority people of Northeast, it has not accepted in the UNO.
Nasutna Shibun Bangidon Kaning Yalum, Kumkikon Samla, Bakiranga Perhat, Jonga Jatbanre Jomi, Nikwa Bansan message to the government of India, but Nakwa Banang Niklak Bankran, lest we forget to talk about our respective state government. They have the equal responsibility. Right on. They also have the equal responsibility. They are responsible. Kilong responsible. Balaraki pass your bill. They makir bankren. They have the right to say and they must say something. They cannot just keep silent. They cannot just throw the ball into the organization or throw the ball to us. They have the responsible. They are responsible for this. Nakwa banong ipi chief minister, but chief minister ki jongi banong ba. What's up? Don't pretend that you know nothing. That is the issue of the central government. You know everything.
See, we have a problem even now. We have a problem of property. Instead of eradicating this property, they are introducing a draconian bill. Instead of giving us a security to the own nation, to own peoples, they are making us insecure by passing this bill. So, we should be together and we should be united. And we should stand firm and say to the government of India that we are not alone and we are not cowards.
We have gathered here again once more to protest against CAB. Now, when we talk about CAB is dangerous for two things. Three things to be accounted. One, CAB is dangerous because CAB has the provision to stop the Foreigners Act 1946, whereby the Foreign Act 1946 says you can deport or imprison an illegal immigrant. CAB also seeks to amend the Passport Entry into India Act 1920, which regulates the entry, the exit, and the residence of foreigners in India.
But I'm going to ask you one thing. Please answer me. Would you like to lose your land? No. Would you like to lose your freedom? No. Would you like to lose your culture and identity? No. Then that's why I'm saying this. Hate to lose your land, hate to lose your culture, hate to lose your identity, hate to lose your freedom. That's why, please use hate in a positive manner, but hate.
Abang ia keren yang Citizenship Amendment Bill, ke Jingthmu ke Jingthmu ke Sorkar dia kamdai show kasihan ke Banangkong, masuk Banong kani di Kalamit. Bila dia Pyrshah hak kelas step, bat kum dore,
kelas sakut pat hapo raja swa kam semlala banjat namba handai hadai kenti bamenta kapau syai bagata kesibi ka Sorkar ka Pyrshah biang sasisian siwan ban Pynlong an je kata apreng ke jingiaki bat ke jing Pyrshah jeng babun balang om tang ki sen balang ki pat ba jong jelam khalia handai borok koi ka than nadi si borok koi ki Pyrshah tu ki por handai pause ka Sorkar BJP rangi peteng ban Pynlong an je kade kani ka pausai baka Sorkar India ka khaintau thala Yaki trai muluk hapo ka than stay lamingi hibro ka boy bat kapani chai bakhamnyo por ya kita kinong Bangladesh na po Afghanistan bat Pakistan bat kumta ter banjingi ki trai muluk komplit kot jong jaj penriung asobonong ngiem ban ngiyang hapo kene kremat lagi sunyo yang klik beri orang masau nilarem bat nila sarem lupa hakmat juga me India handai ai baka sekarang dia kentok ada kasia masgo banong badui refi woi ikondap sedang judgment review ai mengingin tok ada kasnam ngenambla ban priang yakom kata kom perkhat taban jangka Sorkar India jaga bahasa ngakwa banong hakamenor bila penkomu jubor ya kacai kendri hunyu terap banyak snok bakan dia anna ya tenjubor samanta sisin bat siwa.
When we look back at history of the whole of the northeastern region and especially in the state of Meghalaya, what we have seen from the government of India right from the time of independence is only about political injustice to the indigenous peoples of the whole of the northeastern region. When India attained independence from the British Empire, the Khasi states were independent states, and most of the states of the northeastern region are independent. And especially for the people of Meghalaya, the government of India by force asked the chief of the different Khasi states to sign the instrument of accession. They could see that the northeast has such a large part of our land, the density of population is very less in northeast. If you could capture northeast and send all these illegal migrants to northeast, then the whole of northeast, all these indigenous tribal groups, small groups, they'll be reduced to a minority in their own land. And India will be Hinduized. This is the plan of the central government, of the government of India. And this CAB is one of their plan that they trying to put all the indigenous peoples of the northeast as minority in their own land. You have heard the case of Assam, where many districts of Assam, the indigenous Assamese population are being reduced to a minority. Even here in Shillong, according to the statistics, proper Shillong region, the population is more than 150,000, and the tribal population is almost only half, and the other half are the non-tribals from different parts of India and also from Bangladesh. This is a clarion call to each and every one of us that we have to be awakened from our deep slumber. The whole of Northeast today is in agitation, and this is a clear call to the government of India that if they pass the CAB in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, then we will never know what will happen to the whole of Northeastern region. And the government of India should take the responsibility if agitations happening in the different parts of the northeastern region.
Bangladesh is go back! Go back! Go back! Bangladesh is go back! Go back! Bangladesh is go
talai ka abu sendon ya kan ka citizenship amendment bill arjat ka khandai apo list ban table por Raja Sabha ti ka tahi ka pelong yi kum Neso ka yang Pyrshah na do men swa arjat kan riu Pyrshah kan ka citizenship amendment bill ban mi biang sai sisen ban penpau ka jing Pyrshah jungi kum trai ri trai muluk ya ka Sorkar India ka Jingthmu mon rak biang ni ka bill apo ka Lok Sabha akan ka sin syong ka balwan mentak ka baslang mentak si ti ka tahi ka pelong yi ban mi khmat ban Pyrshah maringi ba kani ka bill hi kalong ka jingma hadu kata-kata yang i kum kijai benda red pat ki trai ri trai muluk nada ailat ki bri na Bangladesh berkhoi banwan ki berung berkhoi na Bangladesh lagi rung bat ki kot Islam ni ki surung tu lam kot lam sla ban ailat iki bikin long kinong India te kadon ka jingma ka bakhra hadu kata-kata yang i kum kijai benda red pat hi ka bening kong hi na du arjat khan riu arjat khan nyau khan phra ngi i ka Sorkar Meghalaya ba kalami syakmat man rai dah kabinet man Pyrshah yang ni CB man akal yang kan suhi ngisu ban ai ke jingero ya ka jing mi syakmat jong Sorkar Meghalaya berkumjuru ke Sorkar Mizoram bat ka Sorkar Nagaland bat kiwe de bat kani hi kan ka ngisko ban kentulang kiwe Sorkar jong ki jelas sya not easy brokwe mamakiru kini bi syakmat man ya penpaulang ke jing Pyrshah memaki gi dan hapo Sorkar ban pej ya ka baha kamiat jeng ki trai ri trai muluk debat ba ki Sorkar ru ki don kapor ka benta ka bakhra hodo ka ta man penpau yang ding jing Pyrshah tang Sorkar hendrai wat ki seng san perthai bo fer ni khot yaki ni wer ki ban penpau lang ki jing Pyrshah khanang ba ka Sorkar India ka ni ba ka than ste lami bro ka wei kaya teli mane Pyrshah ya ka ni ka CB peningkong swa kalong balada ka Sorkar India wan ha pedang jing Pyrshah jong ki bobon balang jong ki trai ri trai muluk hang ni ka than stel mi bro ko kam skap bar kaya chkhmat man pentri kam ing CB ne ban pas ke CB ha Lok Sabha bar Raja Sabha kani hi ka pni ba Sorkar India kam don jing sunyo kam don jing khanyai ru em yagi ki trai ri trai muluk badan hang ni po ka than stel mi te ka dei pat ingi ban perkhat kumno mengin le nada Sorkar India kam khanyai bagi dei kita ki noksong senong jong ri India bar kam sngap ki jing ut ki jing nam jongi tingir ni haban perkhat ka ipat bangi kum ki trai ri trai muluk ni haban le ni haban perkhat khanang ba kamla belong tang siliang kano ka jingja
ngi na du ka basdang ngi layang kata kanong rem ba ngi namla pan priang ya kene ka CAB ka balong sipenta ka jing penkub buram jong sekarang dia ya ki barok itu ki illegal migrant badan entah apa per jong jalan is bat kumjuru ki bas nang wanrung kham tham ti Bangladesh hakakti gamon ka Sorkar BJP ka ong ba swa at saw ngan be lot itu ki illegal migrant po ka India berkawai ari ka baso pla ka long bakti ka dia nga ong alewan susu minang perkat ba ngidawa ba ki debendon ki mechanism ban deport lot ya borok ki illegal migrant po kanu isi berkawai sabar bagi wat rubi anjet hak jelaw per handai kumbagolong mentaka BJP ngi ba kana khot arsya kani golong ba ka hidden agenda jongka BJP hi brokoi ba jule singalam ong ba la bandai ke vote bank politik jongka BJP.
If the BJP government decides to implement this CAB or pass this CAB in the this one Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, GSU will have a meeting with the Neso, GSU meeting with all the concerned organizations, and we will be looking at steps or how to oppose this kind of move by the central government. Exactly what I hate about this present government right now. They think that India is Hindustan, and I don't accept that. To me, India is a country with a diverse culture, with diverse people, with diverse religion, with diverse traditions. So, if India thinks they want one religion for the whole of India, I think Northeast should be separate from India.
Namar itu kani kan kata ya ka jala ka jumi. Namar bang yapan consider di ka jinglong marjan jumi bar ka Bangladesh. Te wat menta bang padang kani ka anjung i bagadan ka kalawan upa ka juma yang. Te ngi mentang ngi de ko wini ki stage ki bamdon ye ka jingita. Ki ba ka jingkeng ka jingker per ka baranghang ka balailan. Pi tela ki wara e kani ki implement ni kani ka stir ka jing ka facility di kini ki ang kamut ka juma ka de yang ki jabri berit pai ka jumi. What ka Assam in term of population you compare ka Assam ka Khambun bani ni. Andai ka Assam menta ki khuslai ba asam ki Pyrshah kini ya kini ka CAB tingi iba ka nyapan sung tu ni ar telima kawai kalong ka bangan kata ingi ba kawai ka jumut jong ka BJP kai ka jumut jong ka BJP ka mana cylinder hor ni kai kalong ban pensobha ya kawai ka niam kawai kiniam sulong taman darab jon dia darab jon nyapan kerensai kata tingi long nur sedang ba nakaliang ka FQSP ba nakaliang ka Northeast Indigenous People Forum ka bangadi convener nyong mai ba phimla ban base ka citizenship jong nu brio based on religion pinginam sha kata te kani ngi pani ba ka jingkwa ka jong ki kolong ban kidon da ka hidden agenda ka bari ka baki ki persyang ban satisfy ya ka desire ka baki laburi boras kata